Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanessa if you're new here. I now have dark hair, which is super weird, but I actually tried to film that I had dark hair and it just was like all over the place and super chaotic. It was like during soccer season and I had like midterms and stuff, so I only got like a couple like clips of footage. I don't know, it didn't end up working out, but enjoy the brown hair. I know it's a change. I just wanted to come on here and start filming like my weekend. I have a lot going on this weekend. I'm actually going to visit a friend, my friend Megan. She's at Stonehill College, and me and my other friends Savannah and Tyler, we're actually just going to plan to meet there and maybe do something. It's actually her birthday, and we were probably just going to go out to dinner and then like hang out with her this weekend, which I thought would be fun to film. And so yeah, I just have like a lot planned this weekend. I just woke up. It's Friday, November 15th, and it's around like 8:30 right now. Both my classes got canceled today, which is like super weird. I mean, I only have a 9 and a 10, but they both got canceled for whatever reason. That's like super ironic. That like never happens, but that happened. And so yeah, I'm probably just gonna go to the gym now that I have more time, and I think I'm gonna go get my hair actually blown out. I usually always get my hair blown out so I don't have to like, do it, and I'll leave it down here. That I go to Altamota Bar Beauty, or Bar Beauty Altamota, and it's in Longmeadow, and they have like a blowout station. It's super cool because sometimes you don't need to just get it colored or cut, you can just get it blown out, and I think it's like $25, so probably gonna do that. And then from there I'll probably just end up leaving because it's like near the highway. So yeah, I'll take you guys along with me, and I hope you enjoy. Some ab definition. I've been doing abs like twice a day, and I only have this little bit. We'll get there. Hi guys, so I just finished at the gym. It is 11:15, and I think now I'm probably just gonna go back to my house and make something else to eat because I didn't really eat anything, and then I'm going to, from there I'll probably just pack a bag, shower, go to the salon, and then leave. Hi, my
Wait, you have to get T. Rose and Victor.
I know I will. I was showing me like 5 presents.
Oh, I know.
Do you know what they are?
I know, one's a Gucci belt, and then...
My camera's gonna die.
Wait, get Victor on camera.
I will.
He's gonna be like, get this thing.
I just got to Stonehill. I said I was gonna record all day, and then I like didn't. Hi, Vanessa.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Savannah, do you
want to be in the vlog?
Pop out. Pop out, boy. Pop out at your party. I'm with the gang.
I wonder if it's so dark.
Give me one chug for the LA sisters. We're getting there. Mad cute. Oh my god. Oh, really want too much? My bitch and my that bitch man.
Dude. Like, really? Jordan, say hi to the camera.
No, stop. I know. He's camera shy. Hi guys, so I'm just about to leave Stonehill. It's like really early and I have to babysit at 11. It's like 9 right now, so I have like 2 hours to go, and I'm kind of rushing, and I really have to leave now, and this lighting is like blue. Hi guys, so it is Sunday today, and I literally like didn't film anything, and I'm with my friend Jill. Say hi. Hi. Yesterday we just like ended up going out for a little bit, and I was gonna show everybody like our outfits, and then I didn't. But maybe we have some, I could like put some clips in or something.
Yeah, there's some.
And then I don't know. We just went out to breakfast, and now we're planning on going to watch Disney Plus because it's like freezing outside and I'm like sick. I sound weird, but yeah, this video has been like all over the place. I got like not that much footage and it wasn't really that exciting, but we did like go out last night and I like wanted to show our outfits and our makeup, but we were just like super rushed. So I think I'm gonna like put a clip in of me getting my hair dyed, like when I was blonde to brown, because I had a couple of clips like I said before, like of my hair when it was blonde and then I dyed it brown, now it's brown. So I might just put a couple of clips in of that, and then I think we're just gonna like what did we say? We're gonna watch Disney? Yeah. The new Disney Plus app. I think we're just gonna like watch a movie or something, and then I might, and yeah, so that's today's plan. House apartment thing is like so messy, so we might just like do some organizing and clean my room because there's like clothes all over the floor. And so yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and I guess this could also be the outro. So like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you guys like this. Look at my hair. Nice and orange. It looks so different. I can't even. Cold out. Hi guys, so this was the weirdest thing of my life. I had like a lot of time before I had a break, and I was going to get my hair just like blow dried and maybe like re-highlighted. And then I like started noticing that I've had like a lot of breakage, and my hair is naturally brown, like a little bit lighter than this. And I had brown hair for like my whole life, basically. And minus like the last 3 years, I decided to go a little bit lighter. And that's when my hair was like really, really blonde, which you would have seen in all my videos. And I just had like an impulse decision, like very weird, I don't know. Just like the urge to go back brown. I was like, I don't know, I just feel like it suits me and I kind of want like a change. So yeah, this is it. I'm trying to like show you. I don't know, I like really need to get used to it. And like I have a really small forehead, and like the dye obviously gets all over like your face, and so it looks like I have an even smaller forehead. But yeah, like I hope you guys like it. I don't know, I mean I always have had brown hair, so it's I don't know why it's like such a shock to me, but just from being blonde for so long, it's definitely a shock. I'm on my way to practice right now. I'm actually kind of late, so I'm gonna hurry up and get there. So yeah, we'll see. I'll see you guys later, I guess. Okay, so this is what it's looking like right now. I'll show you guys. So we kind of just like cleaned up here a little bit. And this is my room. Ah, my glasses. Yeah, so I have things all over the floor. This is the bag I brought with me to Stonehill, and then I need to make my bed. Put this away. It's like semi-organized. And then it's just like stuff everywhere. So we're gonna clean that.
I'm gonna clean that.
Yeah.
Jill's gonna clean that.
Well,
Put it in.
So this drawer is just like a total mess with like everything in it, so I'm just gonna like go through it all and like make it look a little better. So I kind of just like put everything in here that I use like all the time, and then just some things that I don't, like the rest in this makeup bag. A ton of stuff in here. And then my charger and like a couple other things here. Just looks a little bit more organized. And then this is my filming stuff. These are like my makeup brushes, deodorant, go like that. This is mirrors that we use. This is my pencil backpack. So yeah, looking a little bit more organized than before. Yay. So I got a little hungry, so I decided to make these pancakes. They're called Mama's Pancake Mix. They're like a wheat, gluten, vegan free, like this. And I just added like matcha to it, so it's like, not matcha, spirulina, this stuff. I got it off Amazon, but I just added it to the pancake mix, so it's green and it's a lot healthier for you. Let's see. Test take.
We're at home.
There's spirulina in them.
Spirulina.
It's like a green powder.
Please don't treat me like this. I
That's
have
weird.
feelings.
There's a difference. It tastes good.
The cinnamon.
Yeah, they taste really good. I don't know what spirulina is supposed to taste like, but it tastes good.
You're not supposed to really taste it. It just gets there. Yay. Pancakes.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
I just gotta grab my keys and my wallet.
Aww.
Oh, there they are.
Stop. I love the
What
show.
happened to me? Fucking little table.
See, I told you I was funny.
No! Don't leave! Somebody help
good.
me!
This tastes different.
Please?
Baby girl, you always did have the strange.
Healthier version of pancakes.
Mama?